Let's go through how to split shipments in Unleashed and action them in Mintsoft WMS. If you split a shipment right from the start, then both orders will sync to the WMS as soon as you mark the status as placed. But let's say it turns out that you don't have enough stock and you decide to split an existing shipment after the initial sync. As long as the Mintsoft WMS order status is one of these, newly added line items, line quantity changes, or line removals on the Unleashed shipment will reflect on the WMS order. If you now split your shipment, you'll get a new order with correct values on both the original and secondary orders in the WMS automatically. This all flows across on the 15-minute sync cycle. In the case that your Mintsoft WMS order is not in one of these statuses, when you split the shipment, it will still sync to the WMS, but the values on the original order need to be updated manually to ensure both orders reflect the quantities held in Unleashed.